As a pet owner, it can be heart-wrenching to witness your furry friends struggle with separation anxiety. Dogs are social animals that form strong bonds with their human companions, and when they are left alone, they may experience intense feelings of distress and anxiety. Separation anxiety is a common behavioral problem that affects many dogs, and it can manifest in a variety of ways. Hello everyone and welcome to the Dog's World. Today we will explore 9 signs of separation anxiety in dogs so you can better understand your pet's behavior and take steps to help them cope with the anxiety. Number 9. Excessive panting, shaking or trembling. Excessive panting, shaking or trembling are common signs that your dog may be experiencing anxiety. While panting is a normal behavior that dogs use to regulate their body temperature, excessive panting can be a sign of stress. Shaking and trembling may also indicate anxiety or fear, especially if it's not a normal behavior for your dog. When it comes to separation anxiety, excessive panting, shaking, or trembling can occur when you leave your dog alone for extended periods of time. Dogs who experience separation anxiety may become very anxious or distressed when they are left alone, and these physical signs may be a manifestation of that anxiety. If your dog is experiencing these symptoms, it is important to provide them with comfort and support. Staying close to your dog and comforting them can help to reduce the anxiety. You can also try using an anti-anxiety wrap such as Thundershirt, which can help them to calm their body by providing gentle pressure. Number 8. Destructive behavior. Devastating chewed furniture, torn up shoes, and destroyed household items are just a few examples of destructive behavior that dogs can exhibit. This behavior can be very frustrating for owners and may indicate that the dog is experiencing anxiety. When it comes to separation anxiety, destructive behavior is a very common sign that the dog is feeling distressed when left alone. Dogs who are anxious or stressed may turn to destructive behavior as a way to cope with their feelings of separation. It is important to note that dogs may not just destroy furniture or doors, but also their toys, feeding trays, and other items that they normally enjoy. This behavior may be a way for your dog to grab your attention and seek for comfort. If your dog continues to exhibit destructive behavior despite your efforts to cheer them up, it may be a good idea to seek professional help. A veterinarian or a professional dog trainer can help you identify the underlying cause of your dog's behavior and recommend appropriate treatment options. They may also suggest behavior modification techniques or medication to help your dog manage the anxiety. Number 7. Excessive barking or howling. Howling, the iconic call of the wild, is a powerful and beautiful sound that many dog owners love to hear. Barking, on the other hand, can sometimes be seen as a nuisance or an annoyance. However, it is important to remember that barking is a form of communication and is a completely normal dog behavior. When it comes to separation anxiety, excessive barking or howling can be a sign that your dog is feeling anxious or distressed when left alone. This kind of barking or howling is persistent and doesn't seem to be triggered by anything except being left alone. To address this issue, provide your dog with plenty of exercise and mental stimulation, as well as giving them toys or treats to keep them occupied while you're away. If you travel frequently and can't be there to look after your dog, it may be a good idea to ask a family member or a trusted friend to check on them and keep them company. This can help to alleviate your dog's anxiety and prevent excessive barking or howling. Number 6. Potty accidents. Now, let's talk about potty accidents. While it is common for puppies to have the occasional accident, adult dogs who have been fully house-trained can develop certain issues with potty training due to separation anxiety. If your pup is perfectly trained to do their business outside but suddenly starts going inside the house, this could be a sign of separation anxiety. Some dogs might even defecate or urinate in their crate or designated area when you come home. If this happens, it is important to resist the urge to punish your pup, as it won't help the anxiety and may worsen the behavior. Instead, try to keep a consistent schedule for potty breaks and reward your dog when they do their business outside. Additionally, make sure your pup has access to plenty of water and a comfortable place to rest while you're gone. Number 5. Pacing or restlessness. Are you seeing your furry friend exhibit restless behavior like pacing, panting, salivating, hiding, trembling, or even depression as you prepare to leave the house? These are powerful signs that your dog may be experiencing separation anxiety. Dogs who suffer from separation anxiety often find it difficult to relax when they are left alone. They may become agitated, anxious, or distressed even before you leave the house, exhibiting behaviors like pacing or panting excessively. When it comes to pacing, dogs with separation anxiety may pace much more than a normal dog would normally do. This is because they may feel uncertain or nervous about being separated from their human, and this can lead to them pacing or seeming restless. Other behaviors like hiding or trembling may also indicate that your dog is feeling anxious or afraid about being left alone. They may also salivate excessively or seem depressed, demonstrating a lack of energy or interest in activities that they normally enjoy. Number 4. Attempting to escape. Powerful instinct drives dogs to be with their owners, and it can be heartbreaking to watch a dog try to escape when you leave the house. If you notice your furry friend aggressively trying to open doors, running around the house and howling excessively, or even attempting to jump out of windows, it may be a sign that they are afraid of being left alone. Dogs with separation anxiety may also exhibit destructive behavior, especially around exit doors. This can include biting or scratching at doors, attempting to dig their way out, or even causing self-injury. It is essential to keep an eye on your dog's behavior and take appropriate measures to ensure their safety and well-being. If your dog's escape behavior is caused by separation anxiety, it usually doesn't occur when you're present. However, it is crucial to address the behavior with your vet or a professional dog trainer to find the best solution for your furry friend. Number 2. Excessive salivation. Excessive salivation, also known as hypersalivation, is when a dog produces an abnormal amount of saliva. Salivation is a natural response for dogs and helps them with digestion and keeping their mouth clean. However, excessive salivation can be a sign of an underlying issue, including separation anxiety. Dogs with separation anxiety may become anxious or stressed when they are left alone, which can lead to excessive drooling. This is because stress triggers the release of certain hormones and neurotransmitters that can increase salivation. Additionally, some dogs may lick or chew on objects as a way to cope with their anxiety, which can also lead to increased salivation. It is important to note that excessive salivation can also be a symptom of other medical conditions, so it is also a very good idea to consult with your veterinarian if you notice any sudden changes in your dog's salivation patterns. Number 1. Constantly following. It is a natural instinct for dogs to follow their owners around. They feel a strong emotional bond with their humans and want to be close with them all the time. However, when this behavior becomes excessive and constant, it can be a sign of separation anxiety. Separation anxiety is a common condition in dogs that causes them to become stressed and anxious when the owners are away. This anxiety can lead to dogs following their owners around the house, even to the point of interfering with daily activities. If you notice your dog following you excessively and becoming frantic or panicking when left alone, it is important to address the underlying anxiety. Making a big deal about leaving or arriving home can worsen separation anxiety behaviors. Remember, it is important to give your dog space and alone time to help them become more independent and less anxious when you're away. Gradual desensitization and training can also help improve separation anxiety in dogs. So, these are the 9 signs of separation anxiety in dogs that every pet parent should be aware of. To cope with separation anxiety in dogs, there are several things you can do to help your furry friend feel more comfortable when you're not home. You can ask a trusted friend or a family member to look after your pet while you're out, or consider bringing home a new pup to keep them both occupied. Additionally, creating a safe and comfortable space for your dog, such as a crate or a designated area with their favorite toys, can also help alleviate their anxiety. Remember, it is important to be patient and understanding with your dog as they work through their separation anxiety on their own as well. With consistent training and positive reinforcement, your dog can learn to feel more relaxed and comfortable when left alone. How do you cope with separation anxiety in your dogs? Share your tips and experiences in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. Thank you for watching. We'll be coming back with much more helpful videos for your furry friend in our next video. Bye!